Was it hard for Mikki to get you to sit down and film this? How did that all happen?
No, so let's start with Mikki's team at Elevate is fabulous. They are super professional. You know this, you've interacted with them. They're fabulous individuals. Mikki and his family, and I really want to honor the fact that he has a family. They've paid some pretty dear price for him getting the message out there. Mikki is an amazing human being. He reached out. He did something that I profoundly respect, and that is that he didn't believe a word I said. He started off by just going, if what you're saying is true, this is so big, and I can't believe that no one else is saying it. So I'm going to start with it can't be true. But then and he shared this in your interview, they started looking at it, and lo and behold, the documents were there and all the information was there, and it started adding up. And so when he asked me to come out to California, I felt like I was going to a brother's house, right? Just he was very hospitable. Their team was great. And so the entire process of working with Elevate was fabulous. And they did something, by the way, Brian, that I think really deserves some credit. Mikki took a lot of flack for the first film. Anytime somebody tells a story, a lot of people forget that it's a story, right? So the way Judy conveyed the information that she had, that's her story. And I think we all need to respect the fact that the way in which people express their first person narrative of their experience is theirs. And I think that there were things that some individuals criticized where a sentence or a statement made in a particular context, if taken out of context, could have been, misleading or whatever. So he got a lot of flack for that. And so what we committed to was I wasn't going to get away with anything. I couldn't make a statement that wasn't backed by chapter and verse. Show me the document, show me the correspondence, show me the source material, show me everything else. And then even after I showed it to him, he sent that off to make sure I hadn't come up with the material. Now, these are federal records, so I don't know who he sent them to, and whoever they were, I'm sure saw them for the first time. But the fact is he did the right thing, right? Rather than feeling like he was a victim of the first film, he said, I'm going to raise my standard and you're going to pay the price for it.